Did you know LinkedIn offering Adobe Express Premium free for 3 months? If you create design, social post or marketing content, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to claim 3 month free Adobe Express Premium using LinkedIn official offer. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
I will give this magic link in this video description, so don't worry about that. Here you can see adobe.com official link. Just visit this link and scroll down, click on this get offer. Here you can see also pick a subscription billing automatically start after 3 month free trial end. Click on this continue button. Then type here or paste your Gmail address or email, Outlook, Hotmail, any. Here you can see due now $0 and due for 11 May 2026. 3 month free trial ends. Here you can see date. Just type here your card detail, first name, last name, and expiry date of card. Then select your country. You can also change your country from here. If the magic link is not working, then don't worry. I will give another magic link in this video description also. So if you are watching this video after 1 month or 2 month, don't worry. If I found any another magic link official Adobe, then I will give the magic link in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.